Pretty bird. Jack, they'll bite you. I got 2 in there. These top ones. Can you see them, guys? There's 2. I pulled them 2, 4. 2 of them are white. They're hollering for food. See the difference in them? The one's gray, that's white. That one's gray, that one's white. So that's going to be a solid white one. If you can see down here, his dad's a Latino.
Wow.
See that? That's the dad bird. Them are hard to find.
Mm.
He's solid white with yellow.
Oh, yeah,
see
yeah,
him?
yeah.
That's a pretty bird.
Yeah.
That's the dad. He whistles like he's whistling at girls. Them tame.
These are filming good.
These guys are tame as can be.
That's filming good.
That's a $100 bird or more. But she's one of my best mamas. And then here behind you, I sold them 2 for barricades. What are you doing, buddy?
So I'm trying to break out my buddies.
Okay. Pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird. Look behind you. That's the mama. She picked at him. I had to pull her out. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here, baby lovebirds.
Oh.
Come here. Let go.
They're at that little golfy stage.
Yeah. They don't let
Wow.
go. Hi. Hi, buddy. They're pretty. Those will be tame as can be too.
Mm-hmm.
Just messing with them a little bit.
Gonna grow up to be a pretty thing.
Just like him.
Mm-hmm.
He's getting a little rough looking. I put that bowl in there to put some little seed in it, and they made it their nest.
Oh.
Now they've been moving over. Jump. Let's go. Who's that? That's the daddy bird. He's jealous.
Oh.
Get down, dummy. Get down. Pretty bird.